Today I have a microphone, and it's the ELGATO Wave 3. Content creators are well aware of the ELGATO brand, which is currently one of the brands that produce the best equipment for YouTubers and professional content creators. I will bring you about this microphone, the unboxing, demonstrations, tests, comparison with other microphones, reviews and opinions to get to know everything about this microphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. You can expect a lot of content produced with this new microphone. So let's see the specifications and characteristics of this microphone, but take note that this model is from ELGATO with a price of $180, so it's not cheap. About the specifications, as a capsule of 70 mm, the polar pattern is cardioid, a maximum depth of 24 bits, a sample rate between 48 kHz and 96 kHz, a frequency between 70 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The sensitivity has a minimum gain of minus 25 dB and a maximum gain of 15 dB. The maximum sound pressure level with no distortion is 120 dB and 140 dB with clip guard. The dynamic range is 95 dB and 115 dB with clip guard. About the technology, it has superior circuitry with high quality circuitry to protect from interferences. Audio return via USB, which allows the communication via USB. Anti-clipping technology or clip guard, a technology to reduce distortion of captured audio. Zero latency monitoring, to monitor sound in real time without delay. An internal pop filter which allows to omit pop sounds. Headphone output with a 3.5 jack connector for headphones. A capacitive mute button which allows you to turn off the sound capture with one touch. And a control dial, a control to adjust the intensities and sensitivity. About the physical characteristics, the capsule is condenser. It has a USB-C interface, a 3.5 mm jack connector for headphones, a LED indicator for on and off, mute and intensity. The dimensions are 153 by 66 by 40 mm or 6 by 2.6 by 1.6 inches. The weight, the microphone and the stand is 280 grams or 9.88 ounces. And the weight of the base is 305 grams or 10.76 ounces. So the microphone, the stand and the base have a total of 600 grams. And the support is modular, so it can be fitted to a desk stand or a studio arm. About the system requirements, can be used with the operating system Windows 10 or newer, macOS 10.15 or newer, and also compatible with Linux systems. The memory, 4 GB of RAM is recommended, that is the minimum requirement for these modern operating systems. And the connection is USB 2.0 or USB 3, Type A or Type C. The compatibility, you could use the Wavelink app to control the microphone and other studio sources or create mixes. Compatible with USB-C cables, so you can use any cable with USB-C to USB-C or a USB-C to a USB-A plug. It uses USB 2.0 speeds and above, so USB 3 and USB 4 will work. Now some features it doesn't have, which can be an important factor when choosing a microphone, because it may not have the features you need. So, no status screen, no wireless connectivity, no shock mount included, no carrying case, does not memorize configurations, does not allow choosing other polar patterns, no on and off button, and no wind noise reduction included. And these are the main characteristics of the ELGATO Wave 3 microphone. For most people, in particular content creators, this is a good microphone for 90% of the cases. Although it has good features, it also has some flaws that I will show in the next demos. This was another video about the microphone ELGATO Wave 3, but there will be more videos about this microphone. I will cover everything about this equipment, from the unboxing, seeing what comes in the box, demonstrating how it works, how to connect, audio quality tests, comparisons with other microphones, review and opinion, to get to know everything about this microphone so you can decide if this is the best microphone for you, because the price is high. And in case you haven't noticed, this video is being recorded with the ELGATO Wave 3. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this microphone, write in the comments.